In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google Drive link for a folder. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to a specific Google Drive folder that you can safely send to others with the access set exactly how you want. First, open Google Drive. If you're in a browser, go to drive.google.com and sign in if prompted. You should see your folders and files. Next, right-click the folder you want to share. On a trackpad, that's a two-finger click. You'll see a menu appear beside the folder. Now click Get Link. This opens the sharing window for that folder. You'll be working in the Get Link section you see here. From here, change access to anyone with the link or set it to specific people. If you want a link that anyone can open without a Google account, and then click the drop-down that likely says restricted and choose anyone with the link. This is best when you need to share broadly, like in a chat, a ticket, or documentation. If you prefer to limit access, leave it as restricted and use the option for specific people. Enter their email addresses so only those people can open the folder. While you're here, quickly check the permission level next to the access option. Viewer lets people see and download files. Commenter allows comments where supported. Editor gives full edit rights. Choose the minimum permission needed to avoid accidental changes. Don't worry, you can adjust or remove access later if needed. Once that's set, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the Google Drive folder link has been copied to your clipboard. At this point, you can paste it into an email, a message, or a document using Paste. That's it. You've created a Google Drive link for your folder with access configured for either anyone with the link or specific people. The link is now ready to share and will open the exact folder you selected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.